Barb, Buffalo shooter faces a first-degree murder charge, could lead to a maximum sentence of life in prison. The Washington Post reporting the DA is considering a domestic terror charge. How does this play out without a federal statute?
Well, the problem with the lack of a federal terrorism statute is mostly in the investigation stage. If there is a conviction for murder and he gets a life sentence, then this case can be dealt with. He can be brought to justice. But what terrorism statutes are all about is trying to stop a crime before it occurs. FBI refers to this concept as stopping a crime left of boom. If you could imagine a timeline, boom is the moment of attack. And so on that timeline, some moment before the attack is left, anywhere left of that. And that's the goal, to disrupt the attack before it occurs. And so one thing you see in international terrorism cases is the FBI is very active on social media. It is able to troll around and read things that are in the public domain. And then when it finds something that appears to be troublesome, they're able to open an investigation and engage with the person and say, you know, hey, friend, sounds interesting. What are you up to? How can I help? And in that way, find out what the person's plan is and disrupt it before it occurs as an attempt to commit a crime of international terrorism. Without a domestic terrorism law on the books, they can't engage in the same kind of thing. I suppose it's possible to open a case as a hate crime when someone starts extolling the virtues of stopping the replacement theory, but they'd have to also say at the same time that they're planning to engage in an act of violence. And so far that has proved inadequate to be able to stop some of these crimes left of boom.